Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today is part 2 of a whole bedroom set that we're redoing. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started on part 2. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull the drawers, we're going to sand this piece down, double check, make sure everything's in good working order, sand it, paint it black, scuff it up, wax it, and then we can return this piece back to the owners, and then we can pick up the dresser and the mirror to start part 3. So, drawers out, hardware off, and let's get started. Alright, hardware's off, drawers are out, tracks look good. It's a good start to this project. Now what we got is our DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper. What we're trying to do is give this a nice scuff sand, try to get rid of any of the sheen aspect of it. And well, we'll spend the next hour or so sanding these down, getting this all taken care of. And well, we'll get it prepped for painting after that. We've done all the hard work. We sanded it down, we vacuumed it out, we wiped it down, and now it's ready to be painted. Today, Wooster brush, like always, love these brushes, and BEHR Premium Prime and Paint. The color is Blackout, finish is Eggshell. We're gonna put 2 coats on, everything will get scuffed. So we're gonna start with the drawers, pull the drawers out, we'll paint them once, set them in the sun, put them in the shade, we'll do it again, and then we'll start working on these frames. About 2 hours of work. It's 90 degrees out. Got the shade ready. Let's get to work. What we've done is painted it twice, we let it dry, and now what we're going to do is scuff sand it. Now this is definitely a step that you could skip if you wanted to leave it solid, but here Vintage, we're definitely going to give it a nice little scuff job, give it a worn in look. So, old sandpaper, old 80 grit sandpaper, go over the whole piece, nice and easy. You have your own touches to where you want the scuff marks to be, and then after this, we'll clean it up again, and then we can start waxing it. Scuffed it all up, vacuumed it out, wiped it down, and now what we can do is start waxing this entire piece. So today, mini wax, paste finishing wax, natural old rag or old sock for me. I'm going to wipe it on, wipe it off, and then we put the hardware on. So the next time you see this piece, it's going to be completed next to that wall. So let's get this thing finished. here they are completed. Blackout Black by BEHR Prime and Paint. We scuffed them up, we waxed it. I think the client's gonna really like this end result. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out part 1 and 3, which is gonna be the dresser, or the part 1 will be the headboard, the frame, and the footboard. And part 3 will be the dresser and mirror that matches this.